What you call that?
Escabitoy. Oo na, sige na nga.
Don't shout. Apo, excavator po yan. Boom. Where's the boom? Where's the boom? That's the boom. Where's the driver? The arm? The driver where?
The driver lives here.
The driver stays there. Okay. Nice. Where's the tires? Tire. I thought that's wheels. So that's tire.
Yes.
Pogi naman yan. Pogi.
And the buttons here look itself. Daming kinain na gutom kasi
That's a
naglaro sila
pattern?
ng
Oh, there's a light. Oh, wee-oo, there's a light. Galing ka sa McDo?
Dumaan kami kasi gutom na siya. Look at this. It's the pitching tools. The pitching tools. Here's
Opo.
the pitching tools.
Opo. Very good yan eh.
This one is a pitching tools. His
Oh.
name's
Oh.
the
What
7 names.
what letter is that? What letter?
Or kitchen.
Very good. Denver, I saw your picture in the school. What, you don't have the boy and girl paper?
Pinunit daw niya yun sa kanya.
Why? Why you punit? Bakit daw?
Pinunit
Siya nagsabi?
yung sa kanya.
Siya nagsabi?
Siya.
Oh,
Oo.
why punit?
Because I going a leave. Ano? I'm going a leave. My excavator in the school. No, there's no toys. No toys in school. Hey, why is the number? That is my friend. Oh. The excavator is happening. This one. What is called that?
Arm?
Lobat na. Kaya nga sinasabi tito mo, ayaw niya ako pakinggan. Kakuha ako.
Love it. Wag.
Habang pindutin yung extension.
Don't patay doon. No, wag. Don't do that. No. No. Don't patay. Wag. Ah. No. Don't do that. No.